Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mind Map inside Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. It's great for planning, brainstorming, or mapping out goals. Whether you're organizing a project, breaking down complex tasks, or visualizing your long-term vision, Mind Map is a powerful tool. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, pick the space where your mind map will live. You can either use an existing space or create a new one. If you're working on a new project or personal goals, it might be helpful to create a dedicated space. Inside that space, click the plus icon next to your views and choose Mind Map. You'll see two options, Tasks Mode and Nodes Mode. Tasks Mode turns nodes into real tasks, meaning each node will become an actionable task in your project or to-do list. On the other hand, Nodes Mode is free-form for brainstorming, where you can create ideas and organize them without the need to turn them into tasks right away. Most people start in Nodes Mode for brainstorming and switch to Tasks Mode when they're ready to take action. When the map opens, Clickup creates a central node. This is the starting point of your mind map, so click it to rename it with your main idea, goal, or project name. For example, if you're planning a product launch for your Shopify store, you could name the central node Product Launch 2026. To add branches, click the little plus icon next to a node. Each new branch becomes a child node, which allows you to break down your main idea into smaller, more manageable pieces. You can expand as much as you want, adding as many branches as necessary to flesh out your idea. And, if you need to reorganize, you can drag nodes anywhere, and the map will snap into place, making sure everything stays readable and visually organized. If you want to turn an idea into a task, just click the node and choose Convert to Task. This is where the power of Clickup really comes in. Once you've mapped out your ideas, you can easily turn them into actionable tasks. Then you can assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress just like any other task in Clickup. For example, if one of your branches is Set up email campaign, you can convert it into a task, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. You can also color code nodes to differentiate between tasks, goals, or ideas, and filter by assigning priority or status to keep big maps clean and organized. For instance, you could use green for completed tasks, yellow for tasks in progress, and red for high-priority tasks that need attention right away. And if you want to share your mind map with your team, just copy the link or share the view directly with them. This makes collaboration easy, as everyone can view or edit the mind map, depending on the permissions you set. It's a great way to keep your team aligned and ensure everyone is on the same page with the project. And that's it. That's how to use Mind Map in Clickup for 2026. It's super visual, super flexible, and great for planning pretty much anything. Whether it's organizing a product launch, planning a content calendar, or brainstorming ideas for a new Shopify campaign. Mind mapping makes it easy to lay out all your thoughts and turn them into concrete tasks, while keeping everything visually organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to streamline your workflows and stay organized in Clickup.